everyone, I'm here with baked Persian herb omelet called کوکوسبزی. Hope you like it. The ingredients are 200 gram herbs. Herbs include leek, parsley, coriander, dill, and garlic. 4 eggs, 1 tablespoon flour, 1 teaspoon salt, 1 teaspoon turmeric, 3 chicken fillets. After washing and drying vegetables, chop the fresh herbs. Pour them in a bowl. Add salt, flour, turmeric, and egg. Stir them till well mixed. Cut the chicken fillets with a thin knife and marinate them with salt and pepper. Pour all the ingredients in the hot oil. Smooth it with a spoon. Put chicken fillet pieces on herb omelet. Put the lid on and let it cook over low heat. Then turn them and let the other side fry gently without lid. It's ready to eat. Enjoy your meal.